Welcome to Kids Media. Kids, come on, let's learn the colors name. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors song together. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors song together. Red, orange, yellow, green. Red, red. Apple color is red. Green, green. Our flag color is green. Blue, blue. River water color is blue. Yellow, yellow. Mango color is yellow. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors song together. Pink, frog color is pink. Purple, purple. Brinjal color is purple. Orange, orange. Orange color is orange. Black, black. Shoe color is black. White, white. Uniform color is white. Brown, brown. Camel color is brown. Sky blue, sky blue. Watercolor is sky blue. Golden, golden. Gold is golden. Grey, grey. Sand is grey. Let's learn the colors song together. Kids, hope you like the colors name. So please subscribe, like and comment.